Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to explain how to create a search help. Before going to create a search help, let me try to explain you what is search help. Search help is used to define list of values for a screen field. Once again I am repeating, search help is used to get list of values for a screen field. I will show you right now how to create a search help. First of all, log into SAP ABAP system. Just select this development server and click on login icon. And you can log SAP ABAP system by providing this username and password. And language is optional here. Just click on enter. Now you can log into SAP ABAP system. And to create a search help, we will use ABAP dictionary components. Just now I am going with SE11. SE11 is the transaction code to navigate to ABAP dictionary. Provide SE11 in the command field of standard toolbar and click on enter button. And all these are the components of ABAP dictionary: database, table, view, data type, type group, domain, search help. All these are the components of ABAP dictionary. Now I am going to create a search help. And before going to create a search help, let me tell you why we are using this search help and what is the purpose of search help. Now I will try to explain you. And so for example, this is your database table, and previously we have created a database table. The name of the database table is YEMP10. This is our database table, which is created by using top-down approach. Just click on change button to display the database table, and observe here, go with the data element and just double click on this domain. And if you don't know what data type you have to provide here, we are generally clicking on this icon, or you can use F4 function key. If you click on F4 function key, just it will show you a list of values for a screen field. Just click on this icon and you will get list of values, and these are the list of values provided by SAP. If you don't know what data type you have to provide here, just click on this icon. You will get this list of values, and you can double click on this NUMC and it will be exported to here. These are the list of values provided by SAP. So now I am going to provide list of values for our database table screen field. Just let me create one more session. Just click on this session, and now I am going to S11. Just click on enter button, and this is our database table, and just click on change button and click on utilities and go with table contents and create entries. Your database table contains three fields such as employee number, employee name and employee salary, but these three fields doesn't contain this F4 functionality, and employee name also doesn't contain F4 functionality, as well as employee salary also doesn't contain F4 functionality. Now I am going to provide F4 functionality for the employee number field. How to create F4 functionality for this employee number? You have to create a search help for the employee number database field, and you can attach the search help for your database table field. Now I am going to provide a search help for the employee number field. Just go back And this is a search help radio button. Just you can choose the search help radio button and you can provide the search help name here. The program name should begin with Y or C. Now our program name beginning with Y, and SH means search help. After Y you can give anything here, but I am going to follow in proper naming convention. Just you can provide YSH and 10. Just click on create button, and this is the search help, elementary search help, and this is collective search help. Now I am going to create elementary search help. And what is this collective search help? Collective search help is nothing but group of elementary search helps. Right now I am going to create elementary search help. Just click on enter button, and you can provide the short description for your elementary search help. The short description here is search help. And just click on this definition tab button. By default it's selected, and this is the selection method text table. You have to provide a text table name here. And if you don't know what is this text table, observe here. Just I will tell you. If you don't know what list of values you have to provide here, just click on this icon and you are getting list of values. This list of values provided by SAP. From where you got this list of values? You got this list of values from the database table, which is provided by SAP. Now I am also going to provide a database table, and you will get the list of values from this database table whenever you click on F4 function key. For that I am going to give GMP10 YEMP10. This is the selection method text table. If you click on F4 function key for the employee number field, you will get the list of values from this database table. And this is created by us by using top-down approach. And now I am going to provide this dialog type, display values immediately. This dialog type means screen. This no need to change anything here. I am going to provide this display values immediately. And now I am going to provide these search help parameters. There are so many search help parameters. One of those is ENO, and this you can check this import, and also you can check this export. I already told you this one. If you double click on this NUMC, that will be exported to here, and these import and export check buttons will be helpful for you to export and import the values. And what about this LPOs and SPOs? Just these are nothing but column positions. Now I am trying to give 1 here. That means employee number field will comes in the first column position. Now I am going to provide one of these fields, employee name. Just I am also going to check this import and export, and LPOs and SPOs are 2 I am going to give. And observe here I have created a search help with the name YSH10, and I have provided short description, and also I have provided this selection method text table. This table will help to provide list of values, and also I have chosen this dialog type as display values immediately, and I have provided search help parameters, employee number and employee name. Now I have checked this import and export, and these are the column positions. Just save it. Till now we didn't create any package or development class, so I am going to store our program in local object. And now check it. it is syntactically correct, and also activate it. Before going to activate it, it is in new. Now just activate it. Click on continue button, and this YSH10 set help is activated. Now you have to attach this set help for your table field. So go back, and now you can attach this set help for a particular screen field. Just go with the database table, provide the database table name, and click on change button. And now I am going to provide set help for the database table field, that is employee number. Just double click on this data element of employee number. Here there is further characteristics tab button. Just click on this further characteristics tab button, and also you can provide the set help name. Our set help name is YSH10, and previously we have created this set help. Here you can find this. Here you have created this YSH10, and now I am going to provide set help for employee number field. Just save it and check it, and also you can activate this one. Our data element YDGENO10 is activated. Going to activate it, just click on enter, and if you find any warnings, just you can ignore them. Now it is active. Just you can go back. Now you can check whether F4 functionality is provided for your database table or not. Just click on this utilities, go table contents, and click on create entries. Now we got the F4 functionality for the employee number field. Just if you click on this icon or F4 function key, you will get the list of values from the database table which we have created previously. Yes, this is our employee name, number, and employee name. We have created this database table previously. Now if you double clicking on this, it will be exported to here. Now you can work with F4 functionality of this employee number field. And if you want to provide F4 functionality for the employee name, just you can do the same thing. Just go back. So data will be lost. So do you want to exit? Yes. And if you want to provide F4 functionality for this employee name, you can go with this data element tab button. You can go with this data element, and you can provide set help name and the further characteristics. Just observe here, go with utilities and table contents and create entries. You don't have F4 functionality for the employee name. Now I am going to provide F4 functionality for the employee name. Just go back, and you can double click on this data element of employee name and click on this further characteristics tab button and provide our set help name. YSH10 is our set help name, and also you can provide the parameters name as ENM. Now you can just save it, and also you can activate it. If you find any warnings, just ignore them. It is activated. Now you can find whether it is applicable or not. Just go with menu options, click on utilities, go with table contents, and click on create entries. Now you got the F4 functionality for the employee number, and also you got F4 functionality for the employee name. Just if you want to provide a value here, just click on this F4 functionality and you can double clicking on this, that will be exported to here. And once again I want to tell you here, this is our database table, and for this database table you don't have F4 functionality for each and every field previously. Now I am going to provide F4 functionality or list of values by using search help. For that, just create a search help and you can attach this search help for our database table fields.